Hello everyone, my name is Sarah and today I'm going to talk about the management information systems mean and give you a small brief for each chapter that we are discussed in the class. So to start with, what is MIS? MIS, Management Information Systems, is the study of people, technology, organizations, and the relationships among them. MIS professionals help firms release a maximum benefit from investment in personnel, equipment, and business processes. MIS is a people-oriented field with emphasis on service through technology. If you have an interest in technology and have the desire to use technology to improve people's life, a degree in MIS may be for you. To start with the introduction to information systems. In this chapter, we identify the reasons why being an informed user of information systems is important in today's world. We talk more about the benefits of being an informed user of IT, include the following: that we will be able to provide input into your organization's IT applications, thus improving the quality of those applications, and you will quickly be in a position to recommend or participate in the selection of IT applications that your organization will use, and you will play a key role in managing the information systems in your organization. Moving to the second point that we are discussing in this chapter, we describe the various types of computer-based information systems in an organization. We talk more about the business intelligence system, provide computer-based support for complex, primarily for middle managers and knowledge workers, and we talk about the expert systems, attempt the duplicate the work of a human expert by applying reasoning, capitalized knowledge, and expertise within a specific domain. And the functional area information system support a particular functional area within the organization. And there are way more of various of computer based. Moving to the third point, we discuss the ways in which information technology can affect managers and non-managerial workers. Potential IT impact on managers, that IT can reduce the number of middle managers, and IT will provide manager with a real-time or near real-time information, meaning that managers will have less time to make decisions. IT eliminate jobs, and IT will increase the likelihood that managers will have to supervise geographically. And moving to the last point, we list positive and negative societal effects of the increased use of information technology. Start with the positive societal effects, that IT can provide opportunities for people with disabilities. IT can provide people with flexibility in their work, and IT will enable improvements in healthcare. On the other hand, the negative societal effects, that IT can cause health problems for individual. IT can place employees on constant call. Moving to the second chapter, organizational strategy, competitive advantage, and information systems. In this chapter, we discuss the ways in which information systems enable cross-functional business processes and processes for a single functional area. A business process is an ongoing collection of related activity that produce a product or a service of value to the organization. It is a business partners and it is a customers. Moving to the second chapter, organizational strategy, competitive advantage, and information systems. In this chapter, we discuss the ways in which information systems enable cross-functional business processes and processes for a single functional area. A business process is an ongoing collection of related activity that produce a product or a service of value to the organization. It is a business partners and it is a customers. With second point, we compare and contrast business processes re-engineering and business processes management to determine the different advantage and disadvantage of each. And also we identify effective IT response to different kinds of business pressures, like market pressures, technology pressures, societal, political, legal pressures. And also we describe the strategies that organizations typically adopt to counter Porter's 5 competitive forces, which they are the threat of entry of new competitors, the bargaining power of suppliers, the bargaining power of customers, the threat of substitute product or services, and the rivalry among existing firms in the industry. The last thing we talk about, the 5 strategies are as follows: the cost leadership strategy, differentiation strategy, innovation strategy, operation effectiveness strategy, consumers orientation strategy. To the last point, the 5 strategies are as follows: the cost leadership strategy, differentiation strategy, innovation strategy, operation effectiveness strategy, and last thing is the consumer orientation strategy. Chapter, I'm going to talk about the common challenges in managing data can be addressed using the data governance. There are 3 common challenges in managing data. Data are scattered throughout the organization and are collected by many individuals using various methods and devices. Data come from multiple sources. Information systems that support particular business processes impose unique requirements on data, which results in repetition and conflicts across an organization. And there are advantages and disadvantages of relation databases, which are the relation databases allow people to compare information quickly by row and column. Items are also easy to retrieve by finding the point of intersection of a particular row and column. On the other hand, the large-scale relation databases can be composed of many interrelated tables, making the overall design complex with the slow search. And I want to explain the elements necessary to successfully. And the third point, I want to explain the elements necessary to successfully implement and maintain data warehouses. To successfully implement and maintain a data warehouse, an organization must link source systems that provide data to the warehouse smart, prepare necessary data for the data warehouse using data integration technology and processes, and also select the tool and application.